Hello and welcome to the TaxTron web tutorial video series. Today I am going to show you how to claim the Northern Resident Deduction. Before we get started, let's go over some important details. The CRA has prescribed two specific zones for claiming the Northern Resident Deduction, the Northern Zone and the Intermediate Zone. You can find an illustration of these zones in the accompanying picture on the right. Residents of the Northern Zone are entitled to a daily tax deduction of $11, whereas residents of the Intermediate Zone qualify for a daily tax deduction of $5.50. For a comprehensive list of locations within these prescribed zones, please consult the CRA's website or click the link in the description. Additionally, Northern residents are eligible to deduct travel expenses related to medical, vacation, and family purposes. Now let's see how to claim the Northern Resident Deduction on our web platform. Under Deductions, we want to click on Rare Deductions and Rare Deduction Profile. For where it says, "Do you qualify to claim Northern Resident Deduction?" select Yes. You can now click on Next to navigate to the Northern Resident Deduction page. Depending on whether you reside in a prescribed Northern Zone or prescribed Intermediate Zone, please provide your address information in the corresponding Zone A or Zone B address field. If you had to travel outside your residential area, please complete the travel section by providing details for each trip taken. Ensure that you fill out a separate tab for each trip. Additionally, complete the travel deduction section on this page and enter the name and amount for each family member who traveled. You will also want to fill out a tab for each trip you have taken. Now when we open the detailed tax return summary, under Deductions, there is Northern Residents listed with the amount of deduction calculated by TaxTron Web. This lets us know that the deduction has successfully been applied. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for even more exciting content. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be alerted every time we upload a new video.